Excuse me, sir. Can you tell me where I can get those insulin syringes? I'm a diabetic and I really need some.
I don't know. Why don't you try checking the store?
But I've been to every store and everything's gone. Ever since this virus, all the people are buying everything up. Do you think you can help me out?
No. It's every person for themselves. I mean, we don't even know how long this is gonna last. I need to look out for me.
No. Young man, the only way we're all gonna get through this is if we think as we, not me.
Whatever. I have a business to run. I don't have time for this.
Wait, please.
Oh, I'm so sorry, ma'am, but we actually close early. Everything's practically gone, so there's no use.
No, please. I just met a man who bought syringes here, and I really need them for my insulin, please.
I'm really sorry, but that man bought the last supplies we had left. We might get some more in stock in a week or two.
Oh, no. I can't wait that long, please. Let me check.
I'm sorry.
Emergency supplies. Come get them. Who wants them? Emergency supplies for sale.
Oh, thank goodness you're selling these. How much for these syringes?
That'll be $50.
$50? But that's 5 times the normal price.
That's supply and demand. Take it or leave it.
I don't know if I have enough. It should be enough.
That's $47. You're short.
I have change.
You're 25 cents short.
Please. Can't you make it work?
I'm sorry, lady, but like I said before, I gotta look out for me.
Oh, thank God.
All right, there we go, $50. And that is yours. And you're lucky too. That's the last pack I had.
Okay, you're welcome. Emergency supplies, folks. Come get them.
Hey, what's up, Mom? Whoa. Slow down. Okay, just hang on, okay? I'll be right there. Mom? I came as fast as I could. Oh, Mom. You don't look so good. Is everything okay?
I ran out of my medical supplies, and I had nobody here to help me, so I had to go out.
Mom, you're diabetic and you're over the age of 65. You're not supposed to go out. You're the most vulnerable to the virus.
I'm sorry, Mikey, but I had no choice. You see, earlier this morning, I went to take my insulin, only to realize I had run out of syringes. I knew I wasn't supposed to be out, but I had no choice. I went to my local store, and unfortunately, they were all out. So I kept going to different stores, and each time I was told the same thing. There were none left. So you see, I've done everything, but I couldn't find any syringes. And I really need to take my medicine.
Oh, Mom. I had a pack of syringes, but I sold it. Let me hurry to the store. I'll find you some.
It's no use, son. They're all sold out. Oh, I don't feel so good, Mikey. I'm just going to close my eyes for a little bit.
Marta? Marta?
Maria? Why are you here?
Well, I ran out of syringes and I got lucky and found some. You? What are you doing here?
This is my mom.
You two know each other?
It's a long story. Anyway, I know that you're a diabetic just like me, and I came in to check on you. Do you need any syringes?
Yes, she does. Please. Thank you so much. You're gonna save my mom's life. How much do I owe you?
No, please, there's no need. No. Just remember, the only way we're all gonna get through this is if we think as we, not me.
I understand now. Thank you very much.
No, wait. I'd love to hug you, but that's how the virus spreads, remember?
Yeah, you're very right. I'll never forget this.
All right, folks, emergency supplies. Who needs them?
Oh my goodness, I have not been able to find this anywhere. How much for the bath tissue?
It's free.
Wait, really? I'm sorry, I don't understand.
Well, the only way we're gonna get through this is if we think as we, and not as me. So, here you go.
God bless you.
God bless you too.
Hey Dhar Mann fam, I hope you love that message about how the only way we're gonna get through this pandemic is if we think as we and not me. I appreciate you watching, I hope you're staying safe, and remember, we're not just telling stories, we're changing lives. And when you share my videos, you're helping to change lives too. Because of the love and support my Dhar Mann fam shows me, we just hit this many views. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video.